Hello everyone, my name is Durandare Aditya. I live with my parents in Vanjaravadi. I study in 10th standards. My school name is Matusri Vidyalaya. It is near my house. It is very nice. I go to school on foot. My father is driver. My mother is housewife. My favorite subject is English. My favorite leader is Vajinath Nana Tandale. I have many friends. My favorite friend is Aditya. This is all about myself. Hello everyone, my name is Durandare Aditya. Today I am going to tell about my family. There are 10 members in my family. My father is head of our family. He is a driver. He is a nature is very nice. And my mother is housewife. She makes good food for us. She is a merchant and she sell vegetable at market. She is a kind. I have two brothers. Karan is doing nursing. Sagar is 12th standard class. I have grandmother. I am in 10th standard class. This is all about my family. Thank you.